JM family. Today I'm in the kitchen, as you guys could see. I will be cooking burnt stew chicken foot with chicken breast, yam banana and dumpling. So before we get into the video, guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and please turn on your post notification so when we post the next video, you're the first one to get notified. So as I said, I will soon have my flour here with my cornmeal already in it. I put it here. I have my chicken foot here and my chicken breast, and I also have my pot both set on. And I will be needing my flour. So let me show you guys. So guys, that's my Irish potato, my banana, my green plantain I will be peeling, and my pumpkin because I cooking banana dumpling, green plantain, Irish potato, and see my dumpling here. I will be kneading with my cornmeal, my chicken foot, my chicken breast. I also have my pot set on over here, and I also have my pot here set on with my water. And after, I will check in back with you guys. So guys, I will be kneading my flour, and I already washed my hand. So I will be making my dumpling. Guys, and we cannot use the pipe water here, so we have to use bottled water, okay? Because we surround the sea so much, the water is salt and it's not good. So everything we have to use the bottled water. Guys, you see, I'm making my dumpling, and after I finish, I will cover it up, and I will go and start to peel my banana, my Irish potato, guys, and I will be putting in, so it's brown stew chicken foot with chicken breast, guys. I will be using my broad bean with some carrot inside of it, okay? That's a real Jamaican style, okay? Okay. Guys, look, see, I can't need flour, so my hand's still clean. Just a little thing to wash off, and I finish need my flour, and I will cover it up right there and check back in with you. So guys, I wash my hand and I dry it off. Now I will be putting in my chicken foot and my chicken breast because the pot is hot and ready for it. Rest this in the sink. Guys, you see my pot boiling up, so I will be making my flour now and put it in. You see my chicken foot and my chicken breast over there. I will be covering it and check back in it. So guys, I'm washing off my hand as I go make my flour to put in. Make my flour now to put in the pot. I'm making my dumpling over. And this is my way, okay? My way of cooking. So everyone do their thing their own way, right? Okay. So my dumplings, and it's caramel dumpling. Okay, guys, I make them and put them on the over there. Then I will be putting in it one time. I don't want to put in one. No. And that's my way. So everything going one time, they cook one time. Guys, you see my fingernail them? I'm going to keep hard fingernail. I cut them and I clean them out. So they're well clean before we need my flour. Okay. My dumpling is finished. Now I will go ahead and I will put them in. And I will stir it because I don't want the dumpling to stick to the bottom, okay? So I will stir it. And I will go ahead now and peel my foot and check back in. Guys, so you can see my pumpkin here, and I will cut it like this because you know pumpkin easily for mash out. Okay, and that's just some family, guys. I don't really love the pumpkin that much. Guys, and this is my green plantain, okay? And I love green plantain when it wet. So I'm gonna peel my banana. I'm not afraid for my hand nasty up, guys. I'm not cooking a banana in a no skin. That's not how my grandmother grew me, guys. Spent half of my life with my grandma before she passed away. May her soul rest in peace. And you have to make sure you learn to do something. You understand? And that's what she said. Dance a yard before you go abroad. So, you know, she must happy now. She see her granddaughter listen. And I'm here today. Can do my one thing. And this is my way. See what I put, guys? Guys, if my hands stain up, you know what I do? I put a little cooking oil and I use it and rub it off, and then I wash off my hand, and my hand good to go, all the stain gone. So I look for it to stain up them hand when cooking banana. Try that and see if it don't work for you guys. It works. So guys, see, I have my water here. Okay, and I'm trying it out. Go ahead now, and I will put it in. Guys, and I will check back in with you. So the chicken foot and the chicken over there, so I will be covering it up back. So the food right here cooking. So guys, you already seasoned, as you know. I seasoned my meat already, but I cut up some extra season here with my carrot and stuff. And I also have my broad bean I will be putting in. Guys, now I will be checking on my food pot. The it's ready. My grandmother said when dumpling come up on the top, it's ready, right? You know, fully ready as in. I just check it out. A little bit chicken and pot over here. Not as yet. Check back in. Now I will be putting in my seasoning. I will knock off my food pot, guys. So guys, I will throw out the bean and I will wash it off because I don't like to use it with the water that's inside of it. I like to wash it off, and that's my whole way of doing it, guys. I don't know how long I have it to wear in that cream for, so I wash it off nicely and then I will put it in. Okay? Check back in with you. So guys, as you can see, I put in my bean, right? I will not make it stay like I remember I had already cooked. And it's a thin one, so I need to stay long. That's my way, guys. Guys, that's the finishing of my dinner. As you could see, I have my dumpling there, my banana, my plantain, my Irish potato, my pumpkin. So guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Please turn on your post notifications. When we post the next video, the first one to get notified. Bye.